The group Indlondlo Zulu Dancers was formed in 2010 with the help to develop young boys and young women to love culture and also to show respect to young people and elders in a form of performing authentic Zulu dance, music and drumming, and also doing acting to promote culture for the young generation. The group has performed in many events, including government events, private functions, and also traveling around the world for cultural exchange. The group has performed in Botswana, invited by the Khoisan people to promote the culture, and also traveled to Europe, in Italy, to perform with other cultures, sharing food, sharing traditional attire, sharing games, which is a very good thing to develop young people in the right direction. And the group has also done traditional tours in a cruise ship, taking the cruise ship from Venice in Italy. The group has traveled with the MSc Sinfonia, MSc Musica, MSc Orchestra to teach passengers how to do Zulu dance, how to do music and drumming. This has led the organization to ask the chief of the area, Chief Mdluli Inkosi, to grant the land. This land that I'm standing in front is about 5 hectares. The chief has given us this land to build cultural and heritage structures, to promote Zulu culture, to welcome tourists, to welcome schools, university, colleges, local communities to come and learn about Zulu culture, traditional attire, clothes, beadwork, craft, etc. I will take you in to show you what we have inside this heritage site called Indlondlo Cultural Village. It's still in a developing stage, but I'll take you through. Let's go in. Let's come inside. Asingene ngaphakathi. Here is our admin office. That's where we take the register for the guests, people who are visiting our village.
May call me Bosi. Bosi. Yes. I will be your guide for today at Indlondlo Cultural Village. Thank you. And our tour starts here, will end inside. All right.
Just in front of me here, we normally perform here for welcoming the tourists. Right in front of me as well, we have a fireplace where we make the fire, and also behind the fireplace is a kraal where we keep our kettles, and also on the other side we have a goat kraal where we keep our goats. As I said, the area is still in developing stages. We're still looking for sponsors, funders as well to assist us, because we still have to build other huts on this side. We still need to build other huts on the other side, and also down there we still have to build our small poultry farm to make a living in a village. This traditional hut is called Uguqa, Uguqa standards. When you enter this house, you have to kneel down because you're showing respect. You have to leave your shoes outside to come inside with your barefoot. It's a very nice place inside. If it's hot, it's very cool inside because it's thatched with a natural grass, and also at the top it's got small sticks that is bent to a shape like an egg shape, as you can see. If it's cold, inside it's very, very warm. So it's you don't need the air conditioning inside here. So everyone is welcome to book a stay here. You can come and book, and you sleep on the ground to experience the nature. You eat the traditional food when you come here. You use your hands. It's authentic. It's pure natural. So we're still looking for people around the world to assist us. We still need to build further another houses around here. So we welcome all the donors, fundraisers, people who can assist us to make this area bigger than this.
Ngati Madlogovu Sithenjwa Nene Madlogovu Ngati siyakhuleka ekhaya siyakhuleka koSithenjwa siyakhuleka kontusi yenkomo.
All right, again, we'll have to wait just a little bit. First, Indlondlo. Both cross should be within the yard. And along the yard should be the cross for donkeys and the horses. Along the boundary, along the fencing. In fact, I not put it like that. That is for siyazi ukuthi sinaleli phunge libi. And this size can be the mealy rice, and also we can give it to chicken, right? And there is this tiny one for mealy meal, for putu and stuff. That is why mealies is the main food product for Amazon. Thank you. We've been sending Induna to ask for permission to the chief of the homestead of the village, but now we're with him. We're with him now. He's been sending messages to Induna. We're lucky we are with him now. We'll have to get some words from him. All right? If he is talking, we'll have to show some respect, and we'll have to praise him by saying Mahlogovu. All right? And raise hands and say Mahlogovu. All right? I'm now giving everything to him to talk to us. Baba Mahlogovu.
Thank you, Busi Siwe. Good morning, everyone. I think it's still called good morning. My name is Mrs. Zeni Mgadi. I'm a founding director of Indlondlo Cultural Village, this homestead. Maybe before I can proceed, Busi Siwe, can you show the ladies how to sit before I can talk?
So, like this or like this. And we do not sit like this.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Okay?
Annette, you can't cross this side.
All right, if you noticed, when giving you, I was the first to drink. And also on that side, the guy was the first to drink. Can someone try and make the sense of that? Why are we doing that?
Igama lami uSolwazi uNobuhle Hlongwa, ngiqhamuka esikhungweni semfundo ephakeme eNyuvesi yaKwaZulu Natal. Sijabule kakhulu namhlanje ukuthi sivakashele indawo yeNdlondlo Cultural Village la sihambisana khona nozakwethu abaqhamuka emazweni ahlukene. Kukhona abaqhamuka ezweni lase-Spain, kukhona abaqhamuka eDublin, e-Ireland, kube khona abaqhamuka eGroningen ese-Netherlands. Bese sizoba nozakwethu abanye abaqhamuka e-University yase-Rhodes, e-University yase-UNC, e-University yase-Northwest, kanjalo nase-University yaKwaZulu Natal.
The lady is asking if he wants me to fall in love with you. What will you do about it? Thank you.
Let's come and dish. Colleagues, the plates are here. So just come. Just a friend.